On the 25th of November 2025, the Volta Regional Coordinating Council in Ho became the center of a historic celebration marking 50 years of Suriname's independence and a renewed journey of reconnection between the Caribbean and their ancestral home in Ghana. The ceremony opened with rich cultural performances, symbolizing the shared heritage that binds the people of the Volta region to descendants of the transatlantic slave trade scattered across Suriname and Barbados. Leading the delegation were the ambassador of Suriname, Her Excellency Fidelia Grand Gallon, and the ambassador of Barbados, Her Excellency Juliet Bino Sutherland. Their presence sent a deep commitment to rebuilding cultural bridges and strengthening diplomatic ties.
Well, Ghanaians should